History of epistemology, one clash underpins hundreds of years of intellectual conflict. It's the debate about where we acquire knowledge, and it's best exemplified by reconstructing a historical clash between Immanuel Kant and David Hume. David Hume was an empiricist. He thought every concept must come from experience. So you see one event occur, then another, and this gives you an idea of succession, which gives you a concept of time. You see one object, and then another, and a space between them. This gives you a concept of space itself. Immanuel Kant completely rejects this. He says that your concepts of time and space must be a priori. They must exist before experience and not from experience. This is because your concepts of space and time include three things that cannot come from experience: infinity, necessity, and universality. Take the infinite. Your concept of time is that it doesn't have a beginning or an end itself. It is, in fact, infinite. Have you ever seen things that are infinite? Have you ever experienced something infinite? No. So if your concepts can only come from things you've experienced, you couldn't have the concept of infinity, and thus you couldn't have the concept of time. But you do have the concept of time, so it must come from an a priori sense. Now consider necessity. Certain axioms of time and of geometry are actually necessary. Two times can't exist coextensively. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. These are necessary phenomena. Again, you've never empirically experienced necessity, so it must come from somewhere, a priori. Perhaps we ought to be convinced that Hume's empiricism is missing something that Kant's idealism fulfills. Follow for more.